Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. So for today, ang recipe naman na gagawin natin ay salted egg shrimps. So ang recipe na to ay nakita ko kay Erwan Yusaf. And then tinry ko siya at home and everybody loved this recipe. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagawa at home. So, the ingredients that we need are shrimps, evaporated milk, sugar, fish sauce, green onions. We'll be using a little bit of oil, butter, mounds and mounds of garlic, and salted egg. Okay guys, so let's get started. So the amount of ingredients that you need really depends on how much shrimp ang iluluto ninyo. Okay, so first thing we have to do is put in our butter. You have to let our butter melt. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil para hindi masunog yung butter. So, almost melted na yung ating butter. We can put our minced garlic. And guys, ang secret dito is maraming garlic ang kailangan natin para mas malasa yung ating lulutuin. Okay. We'll cook the garlic until it's fragrant. And we have to keep on stirring para hindi masunog yung garlic. Okay. And then we'll put in our shrimp. So, ang pagluto natin sa shrimp, medyo intayin lang nating mag-iba ng color because we don't wanna overcook it. And then, I have to set it aside. And then, I have to put another set of butter and garlic bago siya maluto. So guys, nag-iba na yung color ng ating shrimp. I will just transfer it to another plate. Okay, so we'll just transfer it here. And then we'll do the next step. So our next step, again, we'll put our butter. And then we'll put in a little bit of oil. Let's melt our butter. So, ayan, melt na yung ating butter. We'll put in more garlic. Then, saute lang natin siya. Halo-halo para hindi masunog. And then, at this point, ilalagay ko na yung ating salted egg. So, pipisain lang natin siya. Like so. And then, we'll put in our evap. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of fish sauce. So, after ng fish sauce, maglalagay tayo ng konting sugar. Para manamis-namis. Okay. And then, at this point, gusto kong tikman yung ating mixture. So, okay na para sa akin. And then, I will add our shrimps back in the pan. And then, i-coat lang natin yung ating shrimp. Okay, so we don't wanna overcook our shrimp. So, inintay ko lang na totally mag-change na yung kulay niya to orange. And para ma-coat yung ma-coat yung lahat ng shrimp. Okay, and then lastly, we'll add our green onions. Yan. Sarap. And then we can turn off our heat and ready na siya for plating. So guys, ito na ang portion na hinihintay natin at ito ay ang tikiman time. So ito na yung ating salted egg shrimp. And titikman ko siya, of course, with rice. So ito na. Iusok-usok pa. Ayan. Tikman natin. Nasa ulo daw yung pinakamasarap na part. Kaya ito. Guys, yung sarsa pa lang niya, ulam na. Kaya kuha na tayo ng rice. Sarap. So, that's it for our video today, guys. Hopefully, nagustuhan ninyo ang ating salted egg shrimp. And I just wanted to give a shout out to my cousin in the Philippines, Angelica, because she's the one who requested for this video. And again, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. See you again. Bye!